Change water dispensed in half cup. Press the stop button for 3 seconds. You are now in programming mode. Press the stop button repeatedly till the display shows half Bev One -50%. You can set it between 30% to 70% by pressing the following buttons. Press Black Coffee in Atlantis Select to increase it. Press Cafe Latte to decrease it. Remember to press Cappuccino to save your changes. Press the stop button till the display reads half Bev 2 50%. Repeat the same procedure for drink 2 and so on. Contact us for any queries or help.